to 20 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 2 to 4 feet building to 3 to 5 feet. Waves occasionally around 6 feet. Winds and waves higher in and near thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 60 degrees, off Cleveland 55 degrees, and off Erie 58 degrees. The nearshore marine forecast. For the following marine locations, Geneva on the lake to Noaa. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming west. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms early, then showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms late. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Wednesday, northwest winds 5 to 15 knots. A chance of showers in the morning. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Wednesday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming northeast. Mostly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots increasing to 15 to 20 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Winds and waves higher in and near thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 60 degrees, off Cleveland 55 degrees, and off Erie 58 degrees. The following lakeshore observations were taken at 8 p.m. Winds at Toledo were from the south at 4 knots. Winds at Marblehead were from the south-southwest at 6 knots. Winds at the buoy, located 17 miles north of Vermilion, were from the south-southwest at 12 knots. Waves on the lake were 2 feet. The water temperature was 60 degrees. Winds at South Bass Island were from the south-southwest at 19 knots with an air temperature of 10 degrees. Winds at Huron-Lake were from the south-southwest at 12 knots. Winds at Cleveland Lakefront were from the west at 20 knots. Winds at Fairport Harbor were from the south-southwest at 14 knots. Winds at Conneaut were from the south-southeast at 6 knots. Winds at Walnut Creek were from the south-southeast at 5 knots. Waves on the lake were missing. Winds at Northeast Marina were from the southwest at 9 knots. The water temperature off Toledo is 60 degrees, off Cleveland 55 degrees, and off Erie 58 degrees. The Cleveland, Ohio climate summary for this evening as of 5:15 p.m.
Don't mind that, y'all.
2026. Today's high temperature was 88 degrees. The normal high is 72. The high tide for previous 88 degrees was today's low temperature was 69 degrees. The normal low is 52. The record low is 33 degrees, which was set in 1976. No precipitation fell today. No snow fell today, which brings the monthly total to 0.0 inches. The total snowfall since July 1st still stands at 50.9 inches. Sunset tonight is at 8:44 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:04 a.m. At 9 p.m., weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 68 degrees, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 90%. The wind was south at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 30.01 inches and steady. Elsewhere across Ohio, at Dayton, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 69. Rain was falling with a temperature of 69 at Burke Lake Front, 67 at Lorain, and 65 at Mansfield. At Columbus, thunder was reported with a temperature of 82. It was partly cloudy with a temperature of 79 at Akron-Canton Airport and 80 at Youngstown. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 70 at Toledo and 73 at Cincinnati. At Ashtabula, it was cloudy with a temperature of 70. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio. At Buffalo, rain was falling with a temperature of 70. At Pittsburgh, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 82. It was mostly 73 at Indianapolis and 66 at Chicago. At Erie, Pennsylvania, it was cloudy with a temperature of 65. An urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio, Huron and Lorain. Severe thunderstorm watch number 230 has been extended until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and expanded to include the following counties in Ohio, Huron and Lorain. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the favorable for